Welcome to my new videos, engineers in the house. This is Tecno 528. A customer brought this phone to me and is complaining that the phone is not bringing that sound, and also that the phone fell inside water. So now I'm going to trace the fault of this phone and let's see how we can fix the sound. So now I'm trying to remove the speaker. I'm removing the speaker now. Let me test the speaker with my multimeter. So now I'm using my soldering iron to remove the speaker now, so that I can test it if the speaker is good or not. Then I can know what's next step to take. So now I'm putting my multimeter on boost mode. You can see it is on boost mode now. So now I'm testing the speaker. You can see that it is not reading. Nothing is showing. So the speaker is actually faulty. The speaker is faulty. So now I'm going to get a good speaker and connect it to the panel. I'm going to replace the speaker now, and then let's test if it's going to work. I'm getting this from another panel, so I'm going to test the speaker before mounting it. So now you can see. So now I'm going to let me get the wire out. Let me get the wires out so that I'll test it for you. So trying to get the wire of the speaker out so that I can test it with my meter. So now you can see that it's reading. Look at it. So now I'm going to test it. I'm going to connect it now to the PCB and let's test if it's going to work. So now I'm going to connect it now. I'm going to connect it to the PCB now. Let me apply some lead on the wire, the speaker wire, so that I can easily fix it. So now let me solder the speaker now to the PCB and see. As a soldering, please be careful. Avoid it not to short circuit. So now let me put the screw. Let me put the screw and then test it if it's going to work or not. So you can see I'm done putting the screw now. So now let me power on the phone with the battery and see. And the phone has come on. But you can see no sound is coming. Let's go to the ringing tone, the file manager. The profile. You can see there's no sound coming out. You can see there's no sound. You can see there's no sound. So now actually this fault is also beyond the speaker. So now I'm going to remove the speaker again, but this is good. I'm going to keep it aside. So this is a good speaker. I'm going to keep it aside now. Now let's check for physical damage. See that the speaker line is clean and there is no physical damage. You can see. So now I'm going to trace it to the sound IC now. I'm going to remove this heatsink now. I'm going to take it. I'm going to trace it now to the sound IC, because since the phone fell inside water, the sound IC easily dies. So now I'm using my gas lighter. And if you're using gas lighter to do this work, please, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be careful so that you don't damage the whole PCB. Please, engineers, be careful while using your gas lighter to do this work. If you don't have a workstation, you can use this method that I'm using now. So you have to be careful. You can see I'm trying to take my time so that I don't damage the PCB. Trying to be careful with it. So trying to be careful. So I've been able to lift up one end. So now I'm going to use my picker. I'm going to lift it gently, 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 so I don't damage any other components inside your phone. You can see. So now I'm going to do it. Engineers, please be very careful while removing the heat sink. Be very, very careful. You can see, you can see, I've removed it successfully. You can see. So now you are going to wait for the panel to cool before you clean the PCB. Wait for it to cool before cleaning it. You can see. So now it has cooled down. So now I'm going to clean it now. I'm going to clean it with my chemical. You might be wondering which kind of chemical I'm using. I'm using fuel. This is fuel I'm using to clean the PCB. So now I'm cleaning the PCB now with my brush. Please make sure the brush is not too hard so that it doesn't remove some small little components on the PCB. So this is the panel. You can see that there's no physical damage on the panel. So this fault is actually from the sound IC. You can see it there. This is the sound IC. So now I'm going to replace it because the sound IC for this phone easily gets damaged when it is exposed to water. So now I'm getting this IC from a scrap panel. Since I cannot get it from the market where I am, I'm getting it from a scrap panel. You might be wondering if the sound IC will still be working. It is still working because I'm the one that abandoned the panel. So now I'm going to remove it from the scrap panel now, still using my gas lighter. So now I'm using my gas lighter now. Be careful, don't expose too much heat to it so that it doesn't damage it. You can see I'm using it. You can see I'm trying to make sure the flame is not too much on the IC. You can see I've removed it. You can see. So now I'm going to remove the 41 now from the PCB now. So now you can see. Be careful. I've removed it. So now you are going to make sure you position it very well. Position it very well. Please take your time and do this. Take your time. You can see. Now position it. So now I'm mounting it now. I'm mounting it now. You can see. I'm mounting it now. So now, be careful. Take your time, engineers, and do the work. Now I'm done mounting it. So this is the 41. You can see it. This is a 40 IC. Look at it. So we wait for the panel to cool a little. Now I'm going to take the speaker again. I'm going to connect the speaker, the good speaker. I'm connecting it now again to test. So now you can see I've connected it. So now let me put a screw on the speaker so that it doesn't fall back. Let me put a screw on the speaker so that it doesn't fall back. So, but I'm very sure it's going to work this time around. So now let me use the battery and power on the phone now. Let me power on the phone now. You can see. You can hear the sound from the speaker. Let me go to profile so that I can hear it very well. I'm going to enter ringing tone. You can hear the sound. You can hear the sound, right? You can see that the sound of the phone is back now. It is working fully now. So this fault is actually from the sound IC because the speaker we troubleshoot this, we change the speaker and still yet it's not working. So the fault is from the sound IC. So please endeavor to troubleshoot any phone like this to make sure we get where the fault is coming from. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and see you again in my next video. I'm trying to put back the heatsink. I'm going to put back the heatsink because it protects the IC. Okay, trying to fix it back so that the phone can be neat as before. So thanks for watching and see you again in my next video. Bye for now. and do enjoy the rest of the video.
Action required. Click on it now. Ahí que ninguno va,